My name is Garrel Zygen and today I'm gonna show you my new Nintendo Switch. So keep watching. Hi guys! And today we're gonna open my Nintendo Switch. But first, I need help from my brother. Kuya, can you help me open it for me? Here! So, let's open it up. So, I need to come out again. So, all you have to do is get the Nintendo Switch. There. Good. And get those two controllers. First one, the red. And second, blue. So all you need to do is slide down this. Flipping back and slide properly. Only get the good ways and make them good side by side. And here. And first, in the other one. First, we need to unwrap and open this and unopen it again. Here you go. Okay, so now let's get this one, the charger. And this. Oh, and also another Nintendo controller. And also this power bank. But also known as the wires. And the last of it. Okay, so it's the next one. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always stay happy and keep smiling. Bye! Hi guys, my name is Garrel Zygen and welcome back to my video. And today, I'm going to show you my 3 items. But first, this is Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and I'll show you how to play it. So, before you need to start with this, choose your Pokemon, and you'll go on a Pokemon adventure with your Pokemon. And also, Mario Deluxe card. Mario Karts Deluxe. And also, you should always race to the win so you can win a trophy. Okay? And also we have Mario Karts Deluxe wheeling controllers, and then a protection for your Nintendo Switch. And let's open it. I need help from Athen. So, and another one. Here's the first one. And the second one. Now let's open the protection. So I need help from Ada again. Really protective, right? So if you need protection from your Nintendo Switch, just protect it. Let your parents borrow your Nintendo Switch, okay? So your family will be happy. And also, really importantly, that you're playing video games so your family will see you with you. So, and don't forget, click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll not miss the video. Okay? And also stay happy and keep smiling. Bye!